Hello, I am Sangeeta Tawar and you are listening to One India podcast. Astronomers have recently found what may be the highest concentration of elusive dark matter in any known galaxy by measuring the mass of a nearby dwarf galaxy. As per researchers, although dark matters outnumber particles of regular matter by more than a factor of 10, they are elusive. Their existence is inferred by their gravitational influence in galaxies, but no one has ever directly observed signals from dark matter. As per researchers, Triangulum 2 is a small, faint galaxy at the edge of Milky Way made up of only 1000 stars. Assistant Professor of Astronomy Evan Kirby measured the mass of Triangulum 2 by examining the velocity of 6 stars sweeping around the galaxy's center, and he said that only 6 of stars were luminous enough to see the Keck Observatory in Hawaii. By measuring this star's velocity, Kirby could infer the gravitational force exerted on the stars and thereby determine the mass of the galaxy. He further added that the total mass I measured was much greater than the mass of total number of stars, implying that there is a ton of densely packed dark matters contributing to the total mass. He said that the ratio of dark matter to luminous matter is the highest of any galaxy we know. And as per that, Triangulum 2 can become a leading candidate for efforts to directly detect the signature of dark matters. While current theories predict that the dark matter is producing gamma rays almost everywhere in the universe, detecting these particular signals among other galactic noise is a challenge. Triangulum 2 on the other hand is a very quiet galaxy. It lacks the gas and other material necessary to form stars, so it isn't forming new stars and astronomers call it dead. That's all in this podcast. For more news, log into oneindia.com.